An authorized person is a person who locks out or tags out machines or equipment in order to perform servicing or maintenance. Authorized employees are the only ones who can apply and remove lockout tagout devices. Lockout tagout procedures must be completed by the authorized employee who will be performing the servicing or maintenance. Authorized employees must be trained on recognition of applicable hazardous energy sources, the type and magnitude of the energy available in the workplace, the methods and means necessary for energy isolation and control. Affected employees are employees whose job requires them to operate or use a machine or equipment on which servicing or maintenance is being performed under lockout or tagout. If they work in an area where servicing or maintenance is being performed, they are also considered an affected employee. Affected employees may not apply or remove lockout tagout devices. They may not help or perform service or maintenance on locked-out devices. If they need to assist with the work, they become authorized employees, and must be trained as such. Affected employees must be trained on the purpose and use of the energy control procedure. Other employees work in areas where lockout tagout occurs, but do not work on or near the equipment. Other employees must be informed of lockout tagout procedures, and must know not to attempt to start any locked or tagged out equipment.